Rain keeps falling tonight, but I still feel you near. Even in the dark, your voice remains inside my heart.
Walking down these empty roads, carrying a heart so cold. Every memory of you still feels painfully true. City lights begin to fade, like the promises we made. I still hear your voice inside, calling through the night.
Photographs beside my bed replay every word you said. Every dream we left behind still refuses to unwind.
And no matter where I go, there's one thing I always know.
Part of me still belongs to the love we used to hold. I remember every touch, every moment meant so much. Even if the stars don't shine, you'll forever stay in my mind. Forever in the rain, calling out your name. Even if the stars grow dark,
You still live inside my heart.
forever you and me, lost in memory. No matter where life takes us now,
I'll still love you somehow. Still love you somehow.
Moonlight shining through my room, everything still feels like you. Your jacket hanging by the chair makes it feel like you are there. Every song upon the radio takes me back too long ago, to the nights we held each other close and never let go.
Maybe time can heal the pain, but your love still leaves a stain deep inside my lonely soul. Some wounds never let go.
If tomorrow brings goodbye, I'll still keep you deep inside. 'Cause no one else could ever be what you were to me.
If I had one chance again, I would hold you till the end.
Even if the world moved on, my love for you stays strong.
Forever in the rain,
Calling out your name. Even if the stars grow dark,
you still live inside
my heart. Forever you and me, lost in memory. No matter where life takes us now,
I'll still love you somehow.
maybe we were meant to fall apart.
But you'll always own my heart.
Even when the morning comes,
Our love will still live on.
through every tear and every scar,
I'll remember who
you are.
'cause forever never